easier than I thought. I should never say that, should you? Not out loud, anyway. Let's just finish the second hole. I'll show you a bit closer in. Well, Right, I've knocked 3 holes through, and now it is a time of these ventilation slits. So you can see there, I don't know if you can see, they've been bricked up very badly on the inside. I'll show you. Right, sorry about the contrast again, probably. I don't know if you can see that. Where am I pointing? That line there. So they're a bit nasty. It's cement mortar, so it's pretty hard. And as you probably know, cement mortar, Portland cement, whatever you call it, has got there's no room for that in my life. So I'm knocking those out. I will make some little windows, non-opening windows, one day, but that's one for another day. So I'll sit on the tripod and you can watch me knocking these fellas out from the outside. Hopefully they shouldn't be too bad, but I'm doing them now before I've got the floor in, because they'll make a right mess of the floor. So I'm doing them now. So there's 2 to do this side and 2 to do the other side. The other side's a lot higher. The ground level here is a lot higher. These holes have just knocked in a chest height, so what are they, 1.3 metres or something? So ground level's a lot higher this side than the other side, by probably 1.5 metres. So the other side, knocking the other ones out, is going to be me standing in the digger bucket rather than standing on a little step ladder. Right, so you going? That's one. Quicker. So I've got to chisel out this big stone here and hope this arch doesn't collapse. If it does, I'll rebuild it, but I'd rather it didn't. And well, I'll put that somewhere. Have a go. See what happens.